On May 24, 2023, officers were called to a school following reports of a fight that had broken out between parents.
Police department, break it up! Break it up! Get your hands behind your back! Get your hands behind your back! Now! Now!
My child that got sick and
Wait, relax. Calm down.
That girl swung on my baby. That got a heart
Calm
attack.
down.
I am, sir. Like, what is...
417.
Oh, my God.
Come on,
Can you check on my daughter?
We'll check on her.
Please.
472. 85 Foxtrot over there. 85
Like,
Foxtrot.
I
At our
don't
location.
handcuffs.
We're 10-4.
Hey, there's a
I have one female 10-15.
I'm the only one in handcuffs, sir.
955.
You got her?
Yeah, I got
Can you talk to Miss Holly?
I'll talk to whoever I need to in just a
Please,
minute.
'cause-
You understand that we just saw about 8 people fighting, and I'm trying to calm
But
you down.
I
Listen
to
to
you,
me.
Sir.
Calm down.
Yes, sir.
And just let me get myself situated.
Yes, sir. Like that girl, we're leaving. And that girl big behind
It
girls.
didn't look like y'all were leaving to me.
I promise you. We were leaving that, and they were, the witnesses would tell you. Leaving, and that girl just did that to my baby. My baby don't even go here. I came for my niece graduation.
I get it.
Out of all the people that were, look, that's my daughter.
Okay.
And I'm in handcuffs. Where's the big girl?
Y'all are all going to jail. I'll tell you that right now.
Yeah.
Like,
You don't have to worry about that. Y'all are all going.
Can I talk to Miss Holly?
No, you're talking to me right now.
Hey, everybody make sure you buy the road.
Yeah.
Man, what's your name?
Where's Renee? Y'all got some? Renee.
With the white shirt?
Who the girl is that on the gate? Who the one I had holding on the gate?
No. We got her. That's Traviana over
She
there.
the one that got swung on.
Okay, yeah. So
She got swung on because I got swung on walking past her.
okay, well, what happened was, okay, so this, okay, the parent that you got the parent that you got in handcuff and her daughter. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a short version. Okay, she used to go to school, and her cousin goes here. So that's how they came. And you know what, Dr. Mazzy, I started not to let them stay because that's why I moved from the front behind, sitting there recording. So I told her mom, I said, look, I said, you need to get your daughter, tell her to stop. I said, delete all them photos that you got that you were sitting there recording them kids. Them kids, you at their school messing with them.
Right.
So they have something going on outside of school. Okay. So how we find out, because one of the parents who child goes here told us. So they've been going back and forth. The Y bunch, the Y2, the Y people they just left out of here, they had got a little bit like in the midst of it through social media.
Okay.
So we had put the little fire out with all of them. We said, okay, no, we're not doing this. Yeah, not, we're gonna keep this quiet. So when I saw her mom, I was like, this ain't a good thing. So that's why I left from right there. And I had come into the cafeteria and I stood right behind them. So then we had said, okay, parents, you all go ahead and go out first. So when the parents
Hold on
went
1 second.
okay, sure.
Who's out there then?
Jasmine's out there with the other girl.
I want 4 out there.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Jeff,
Yes.
get with her, find out what transpired with the fight that she saw what actually occurred.
Okay.
I just want to just get that. Let's start off with that.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need to sit down or anything?
I got a first aid kit in my
Yeah.
office.
Okay.
Find out.
Yell though. We all
But that
talking.
does not make
It
sense.
don't make sense if you yelling. I'm right
No,
here.
I'm talking. Can I see her?
No, not
Why
right
we
now.
can't see? No, I
Ma'am,
can't see.
come back
me.
over here to the hallway, please.
Man,
No,
we
I
gotta
can't
stop
see what
yelling.
it is.
Man, we got to start. You said this is
I'm
your niece,
talking
correct?
low.
This is your
I'm
niece,
talking
correct?
low.
All right.
I'm talking low.
All right.
I can get my kids out of here. I can get my kids out of
Do
here.
you want to provide a
They
statement
not
about?
say, I'm gonna provide a statement and I wasn't here.
Well, you're doing too
This
much
was
yelling,
my
and I want to
kid.
get your side of
This
the
was
story.
my kid.
Ma'am, you need to wait outside, please.
Come on,
You
sir.
wait
I'm
outside.
coming. I'm
Thank
coming.
you.
I can wait outside. It don't even make sense.
I'm going to ask you, do you want to provide a statement?
Now, all y'all here too.
But there's nobody.
To the right. To the right.
No, I'm hitting my kids.
Ma'am.
I'm hitting my kids.
You are going to leave this property. If I have to tell you again, you're going to go to
But why I
jail.
can't get my kids?
Keep walking.
Because you are disrupting a school procedure right now, and if I continue to tell you to leave the building, you are going to go to jail.
Hold on, make six.
Do not try to re-enter the school.
Miss Brady, can y'all please call Brady and Kyrie for me, please, so I can go home? Please.
They'll make arrangements for her to meet you outside.
Yeah, I'm not. I have to come back. I gotta get my kids.
So,
And
I wanna read you your concession.
Because I'm so. I took my.
well, I understand you're sick of the school, but right now I'm trying to interview you as a police officer.
It's just like this situation. I couldn't. The girl ran out the freaking door and jumped on us, and I'm being arrested. Like literally.
Do you want to talk about this situation? If not, I need to read you. If you do, I need to read you your rights. If you don't, that's fine with me. I just rather you talk about it than anything. But
you're not even trying to listen to me. You judge me off real when I realized you was the police. I did stop. Like at that point, everything is going like that. I see a big old behind girl and parent on my daughter.
well, here's what I'm worried about. I'm worried about the fact that you are inside of a school. Let me talk real quick.
Yes, sir.
You're inside of a school with young children outside playing games and having a good
Yes,
time,
sir.
and all I see is 3-4 people, decent sized adults that could have had the maturity to stop fighting, or somebody could have said, hey, officers, we got an issue over here. Instead of y'all swinging on one another in a playground with school children, y'all could have hurt the kids swinging all around. Hang tight back there,
That's
ma'am.
my mom.
Yes, ma'am. And I'm telling you to hang tight, please. We're doing an interview. By you coming up here asking what the hell's going on is not going to help the situation, okay?
I know it ain't going
Yes, ma'am.
situation. I know that.
So you go ahead and go back to the front of the school.
I ain't worried about that. I'm worried about the damn members up there talking shit.
Is there any way we can put her in a car?
All right. All right, man. We're going in the car.
Now you can't even go take some.
I'm going to tell you one more time. Go back to the front of the school. If not, you're going to go to jail.
Can I ask you a question?
What is that?
Who's there?
Go back to the front of the school.
Ask my daughter to give me my keys.
Go back to the front of the school.
We got separated. It's the parents that's all on us. After we got separated, it's when the police, I realized, oh, the police, he pushed me over
No,
there.
Before that, at some point, the girl with the white shirt, the one that came at your daughter,
Yes.
at one point, they were separated. Okay, and then when they were separated, you all went. You all went. No, it's separate. No, it's not.
An ongoing issue.
No, it has been.
I
We
took my
got
baby
that.
out this school.
Why? Let me ask you this: why would you bring her up here?
I didn't even know what's not. I swear to
Why,
God.
no, I'm asking. Let me ask the question.
Yes,
why would
sir.
you, if you knew that this tension was going on, why would you bring her up here?
I say the school tension is always some drama.
No, it's drama. It's been drama with you, and then because you acknowledged that when she was trying to videotape the girl.
She wasn't
And you
trying to see. That's what I'm saying. Miss Hollis is
But they said-
defending her niece.
But she said
She
you
wasn't
corrected her.
taking her. I didn't correct. Sir, I promise to God, I'm not lying. She wasn't taking no picture of
You wasn't taking
that.
no video of
That
it?
girl wasn't even in there.
Okay.
I swear to God.
What girl wasn't in there?
The one that my daughter was fighting, she was not in there.
In the room in there?
Yeah, in the cafeteria.
Okay. All right.
Literally.
Okay.
See, that's what I'm saying, and I'm suing this school because this lady always taking up for this girl.
The girl that's in here, I want to get her out, right?
Okay,
and
well,
then this will be the party that they need because you need a
Well,
statement, correct?
the parents is here. I mean,
That's what I'm saying.
That's my sister. She can,
She can
and
go
my
with her?
mom. Yes.
Okay.
So that's why I was trying to get all the other parties, everybody out, so they can get, and then we
But
can
you need
get.
to
I want to
coordinate
keep
that
that.
with the school. So that makes you.
I
Then
just
I'm
want
good.
to
Hollis don't
Yes.
sit
All right.
here lying talking about something. She was taking a picture of
You got one of those,
her.
Sarge?
Yes.
She was taking a picture of my damn niece doing like this, rolling her. See, this is what I mean.
No, because I told him to roll the window up, but you were talking.
Can I just ask my sister one thing?
Sure. What's your sister's name?
Tina.
Tina.
God gonna do something to you, like seriously. You don't even have to be that nasty. I haven't disrespected you now time.
She wanted to speak
Tina,
with you.
call Uncle Ellis and have my bun as soon as I...
So what they...
I'm the only person going to jail. The girl, I don't care. That girl came out and jumped on us.
I didn't invite her over for you to have
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I apologize.
I wanted to ask you that though, but yeah.
Yeah.
But
So
I just want
she's
Hold on, he called me right.
okay.
just have Ellis know to be once I'm
I'm about to call because he told me to call him this morning too. I'm about to call him.
and get the girls' information because I'm pressing charges on all them. I'm suing Miss Hollis. I'm tired of this.
Well, it's going to be sent to the state attorney's office, so you can talk to the state attorney.
No, I'm suing this school. That's what I'm doing.
All of the charges on
On
both
me.
parties.
It's on me. I'm the only person going to jail.
On part will be sent to the state attorney's office.
So who all getting charges though?
Me.
Only one person?
I'm only taking a ride. Why? Because I got goals and he judged me and slammed me to the damn car before he even knew the situation.
So who's the four people? Is it four
Yes, sir.
girls?
Man, I could explain all that.
Yeah, explain to her who's...
All right, so I'm going to call him.
The woman was charged with battery, disorderly conduct, and disrupting a school function. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.